The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey. At 2:47 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time, a major earthquake struck the San Francisco area. This earthquake measured a 7.8 on the Richter scale. Massive damage and casualties have been reported. Other cities that have felt this quake include Hanford, Sacramento, San Jose, Santa Cruz, Morro Bay, Fresno, Madera, and Merced. As a result, many other quakes and aftershocks are expected to occur within the next 2 hours. All residents of the state of California should be prepared for more earthquakes. When one occurs, get under a desk, workbench, or other piece of sturdy furniture, and cover your head with your hands. Stay away from windows. If you are outside when one occurs, stay away from buildings, trees, utility poles, and other objects. Once the earthquake has stopped, evacuate the building. Tune to local news media outlets for further information on this warning.